Hello Fernand, and student of class 10th. In previous video we have compared the three important sectors and changes that we have noticed in the recent past. So what are the important changes in the different sector of developed countries that we have noticed? And the most important change is that the primary sector was the most important sector in the economy of modern developed countries in the initial stages of development, that is 100 to 200 years ago. Second thing, as the development took place further, new factories were established and secondary sector grew rapidly. This is we have discussed in previous videos. And the process of change moved further to tertiary sector, and as a result of that various service activities have emerged, and now a large number of people of developed countries are now working in the service sector, and this sector is growing very manifold. This is all we have discussed in previous video. Now next topic is your place and importance of different sectors in the Indian economy. So the most important place of different sector in Indian economy can be seen from two angles, that is share in total production and share in total employment. So first we will take your share in total production, that is GDP. So to understand it, just see this graph, and from this graph you will understand it. Here, that is two graph is given in your book. From 1973 to 74 and 2013 to 14. So this is your 18, 19, 1014 years. This is the 40 years. The difference of 40 years is given. So just compare it. This is your primary sector, that is dark blue. Just middle slightly light blue is your secondary sector, and very light blue is your tertiary sector. So just see here in 1473 to in 74, what this is your the share of sector on GDP primary sector was almost 40%, but now it has declined to 10%. So what you have noticed that primary sector has declined from 40 to 30%. Similarly, tertiary sector, see here, this is the contribution of the is your tertiary sector share of sector, that is 52, that is your 50%, but now it has grown to 70%. So this is your has increased. This tertiary sector has increased, and your tertiary sector has increased and primary sector has decreased. Similarly, secondary sector has also increased. See here, this volume has grown here. So this graph is showing about the pattern of primary, secondary and tertiary sector over the 40 years in India. So this graph, I think you have got it. In next video we will discuss the share in total employment, and we will discuss the graph of share in total employment, and we will see how share of employment in different sector has changed in different pattern. We will see it in the next video. So thank you student, thank you very much.